nawa'y laging sumainyo. Dance, dance, dance. Pagpilihan ng Diyos nawa'y laging sumainyo. Dance, dance, dance. Kalinaw ay laging karamay nyo.
Ingat, kami pupunta pa po sa Daco Paroon. Sa Daco Paroon.
Lakas ng signal mo ah.
Wala po signal. Sa Daco Paroon po ang aming punta. At ang guide po namin ay si Ambassador Joey the Great. Mga kalingap. Sir Larry, anong masasabi mo sa ating medyo mahaba-habang pagbabiyahe?
Napakamalayo.
Napakamalayo.
Oh. I hope it's very good.
Pero maganda, nakakarating tayo sa mga hindi natin nararating.
So when we will arrive,
Tayo ay nakakapunta sa hindi pa natin napupuntahang lugar. Do you understand my Tagalog?
yeah. Did you say Kalang? Darating? Kalang?
Yung ating pupuntahan,
Okay, where we're going?
hindi pa natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta.
Oh, you don't know where we're going?
Because you and me is first time.
Yeah, paunang beses. Talaga.
Yeah. Kaya ano, tawag dito? Yang suspense.
Drama. Anticipation.
Yeah. Going to ano?
Ibang lugar.
Ibang lugar.
Oo.
Different planet.
Sige. Ayan mga.
I don't know why I am here.
Oh. Why you here?
Why am I here?
I don't know. Why you don't know? You are here.
Wait.
Sir Larry Davis from California, USA.
Galing Dait na po.
Taga-Dait na po pala. Taga Pilipinas na po siya, mga kalingap. Hindi na taga US. Yan, siya po ay Pilipino na.
Tapos na ang buhay.
You are Filipino citizens now.
Not citizen but hope.
What? Please louder. Your voice is mahina. Yeah.
Okay. Kasi sabi ko, sana po kasi hindi ko pa citizen ng Pilipinas pero sana po sa
kinabukasan
magiging ako citizen for honorary VIP.
Sir Larry, may I question, anong gugustuhin mo, maging American citizen o Filipino citizen?
Well, I don't know. Gano ako, di ba?
Yeah.
Already. So, for me, no big deal. Sa akin, no big deal kasi meron na ako. Maybe one day, I will citizen to Philippines. Di ko alam.
Di ba alam? Pero gusto mo maging Filipino citizen?
Siguro, ayaw
Maybe.
They don't want me.
One day you makakita ka ng iyong makakasama forever.
Forever and ever.
Oo. Magkaroon ka ng love team. Oh, may pinya oh. Pinya.
Now I am Team Kalingap. Maybe later I am Team Love.
Team love. Love team.
Team Pag-ibig.
Team Pag-ibig.
Papalitan, pabili po dito.
You learn language, Bisaya language? Alright. What ano ang Bisaya sa pabili? Sa pabili kay ma'am.
Pabili siya.
Ma'am, ano po ang Bisaya pabili?
Pabilio. Papalita.
Kapalit.
Pabalyo.
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 Ah, English.
Pili.
Ah,
Palita.
yung pala. Pabalyo, sir.
Kapalit.
Pabalyo.
Marami naman ang pabalyo, patawid.
Mm.
Sa Bicol. Yung namimigay.
Mm.
Yung pagtakot.
Bicol.
Magkano po?
Oh, tagpira, how much?
How much sa English?
Oh, how much? Tagpira.
Tira.
Tagpira. Ah, waray po, waray. Waray, tagpira.
Apera.
Tagpira.
Tira.
Hmm.
Apera. Pero man yan.
Number, sir, tagpira, pabili.
Tagpira,
Kasi mo papalit.
Pampapalit.
Napalitan yung pera ng front product.
Yeah.
Pala yun, aturo tayo. Tagpira.
Tag-5
Only
na
thing I
lang.
know is like,
We have bigger star.
Yan, pahinga lang po mga kalingap habang hinihintay si Ambassador Joey the Great. Medyo malayo-layo na po itong aming nilakbay na biyahe ni na Brother Faz.
More than superstar.
oh, okay.
Oh. Paano? Utang.
Maraming salamat po sa
Welcome.
Welcome.
Kaya niya.
So you have to have them both. Everyone can break, put in the corner, and then what you want to do it. So, what they call it, you can sit those in a way.
Alisate.
Ano na si Adel?
Alisate na?
But now it's living like that. He only come and say good morning, auntie. He didn't even say good morning. He was gonna run away. He was always he didn't say good morning, auntie. He was gonna piss off again. Did you do that? How many people you are thinking Muslims? You should have freaking me out. You should have said, okay, I think you should
Also, yeah.
yeah, I follow. And I said, how dare you living there without saying goodbye? Oh, so it's so pissed off for this. You know what I mean?
Hello, Sir Larry. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good, good. Good. I'm good.
Sir Larry,
Yes.
kumusta ang pag-i-stay natin dito sa landing pad Samar? Kumusta ka?
It's actually I love the food here more than
There are many foods.
not only many food but sobrang masarap ang pagkain dito.
Sobrang masarap ang pagkain. Like what?
Well, the adobo, not last night, but
Sinigang.
Friday night. No, yeah, last night sinigang, but Friday night, the adobo was
Very masarap.
yeah.
Sir Larry, merong nagluluto ka rin ng adobo sa ibang bansa sa US?
I don't know about that, but in the U.S. not really. We don't.
Oh.
The Mexican people, they do adobo, but not same. It's not same. Yeah, it's not really. Not.
Sir Larry, kumusta naman yung magkakasama tayo rito sa Samar? How's your feeling?
Coming here,
Yeah.
I was excited to go on the boat,
Oh,
on the ferry boat.
ferry boat.
Yeah, first time in the Philippines.
Oh,
And USA, Canada, I do before when I'm much younger, but first time in Philippines for.
no. From Matnog to Allen.
I guess that's Allen. That's,
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Matnog to Allen.
Matnog
It's not
to Allen.
for 1 hour long sa barco, but yeah, I was. It was fun.
How about land travel?
Sometimes difficult, diba? Because this magandang tanawin, syempre, but sometimes it's difficult sa H100 because you
Oh,
yeah.
dahil sa daan.
Yeah.
Ay, kumusta naman yung pagbabiyahe? Yung kasama natin sa biyahe. Yung sa H100, kumusta yung mga kasama mo?
They're okay. They're great. Kuya Ken is my very good friend. Martin Don also. So we have a good time in there. Yeah.
Kumbaga dito sa atin, sa Kalingap, sa panguna ni Kuya Val, isang pamilya. Nararamdaman mo one family here in Kalingap?
Yeah, parang isang pamilya dito. Yeah.
Like brother and sister.
And aunts and uncles and mga pamangkin like that.
Pamangkin like BSM Angels, like that. Na, kumusta naman Sir Larry, nakikipagbiruan ka naman. Yung pakikipagbiruan mo sa, like
Jokes,
biruan, yeah.
The jokes. We have some very corny jokes.
What?
But
Why?
It's funny. I don't know. It's funny, but sometimes napaka-corny ang mga
Like what?
how I can say, like in English we say play on words.
Okay.
Play on words means like if the words sound like this, but it's a little bit different, so it's funny now. You know what I'm talking about. I think you know. Like Samar over the rainbow, something like that.
Summer lang. Summer over the rainbow.
Over the rainbow, way up high.
How about last day in Blue Lagoon?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
You enjoy?
Yeah, I mean, this place is like a tropical paradise. Diba?
Okay.
Oh, siyempre. Like the movie scene. You see Southeast Asia in the movies, Rambo movie,
Oh, yeah.
something like that. This
You know Rambo movie? Sylvester Stallone.
ako diba? Siyempre, alam ko.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Kano ka nga pala, nalimutan ko. I forgot.
Don't forget it again.
Sylvester Stallone.
Sylvester Stallone, and then his captain or his commanding officer. He's also I can't remember his name, but very famous.
How about Chuck Norris?
Yeah, I mean, I like Chuck Norris. You know, the Chuck Norris movies are.
Here in the Philippines, there are many movies.
Is it very popular in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay. In USA, it is also. Yeah, Chuck Norris is popular, but he's like 83 or 84 years old now. He's getting. But everybody likes Chuck Norris, sure, siyempre. And what's his name? Jet Li. Jet Li. But,
Balik tayo Sir Larry sa usapan natin na ilang days na tayo rito. Medyo ilang araw na tayo magkakasama rito,
Ilang araw, how many days?
How many days na tayo?
Sa Samar?
Oh, dito sa Samar.
What is it now? This is 4 days?
Yeah. Sir Larry, tanungin kita, ano yung mga bagay na hindi mo malilimutang karanasan dito sa Team Kalingap?
What are the things I will not forget? Is that your question? What are the things I will not forget? Well, I think the most important is the effort and sacrifice ng mga tao dito sa Kalingap. I mean, even you're not doing like construction work. Mahirap magbiyahe araw-araw, diba? It's you need patience, you need dedication, and that desire to do it. So I don't know how to say in Tagalog, but it's not for everyone, and it's not how I can say this. If you don't have the right spirit, you can't
Yeah, right.
you can't do it. Yeah.
Sir Larry, anong masasabi mo kay Kuya Bal sa ginagawang ito ni Kuya Bal? Ano yung masasabi mo?
He never stops. He's tireless. He never stops. Yeah. He never stops helping. He never stops thinking about how to improve what he's doing.
Parang hindi napapagod?
Yeah, that and but just he doesn't have to do as much as he does, but he does anyway. He does. He continues. So yeah, I'm impressed by that. Yeah.
Sir Larry, meron ka nang nakilalang tao na kagaya ni Kuya Bal?
Paulit po.
Meron ka nang ibang nakilalang tao na agaya ni Kuya Bal?
Oh, well, I have some experience to that actually. I nakalimutan ang kanyang pangalan, isang ibang vlogger. Pero he's promised he will come back to Kayukyukan. And then he don't come back. And then somebody called him, one of our friends. He said, "Oh, I'm going there. I will come there." He never comes, and so I don't think he's not really the true charity vlogger. That's my feeling. Di ko lang, hindi ako sigurado.
Not sure.
I really don't know because I don't know. Hindi ko siya makilala, but I don't think he's a total.
Sir Larry,
Kuya Bal, yes, but that man not.
Anong message mo kay Kuya Bal?
What is my message to Kuya Bal? Maraming salamat po because for me, my life was difficult, but my friend Sir Daniel, more difficult. If Kuya Bal does not come, I think my friend is. I think so because he have the sugat and then the infection, and he's hard-headed. Matigas ang ulo niya talaga. He don't want to move. Kuya Bal, let's go there, and our friend Gmar, me, Kuya Bal, Ate Edna, we convince.
But
We convince him to go. And without Kuya Bal, I think my friend is not alive. That's my opinion.
Sir Larry, kung ikaw ay hindi natagpuan ng Team Kalingap ni Kuya Bal, sa tingin mo nasaan ka ngayon?
Where am I now? If not for Team Kalinga,
Yeah.
probably back in the USA. The reason why, because I would go to do the well. I don't want to say this because it's a legal question, right? So I would be back in the USA probably, right? Not the way I want, but I would probably be there. So, yeah.
Pero Sir Larry, sa buong buhay mo, hindi mo malilimutan si Kuya Bal?
Of course not. Siyempre hindi. Of course I will not forget him.
And all Kalingap members, charity vloggers.
Yes. You know, ang kultura Pilipino, di naman ang kultura ko, di ba? But I learned to accept, and I learned to enjoy this time. And I enjoy this time. And there's a lesson, Paul. There's a lesson for all of us. Noong 2009 hanggang 2020, my experience only Metro Manila.
Metro Manila.
Yeah.
But now,
4 years in Kayukyukan and in Daet now. 4 years in Antipolo also. Antipolo.
and San Pablo,
Well, San Pablo is different because I'm living in Metro Manila, just working there in San Pablo. So it's different. I had money, the different life. So now I see the province, I see the people, I see ang hirap, ang buhay sa probinsya, di ba? So can't really forget that image, right? You know what I mean? I can't forget, Metro Manila is like parang fantasy.
Yeah.
But my pera, nice place, many fancy restaurants, hotels, bars, like.
But you have no money.
Well, I had money, a lot of money. But once we left Manila, of course, there's a problem, right? But no, I had plenty of money, and I did plenty of things. And, so that's not really totoong buhay here in Philippines. It's not. So I learned a lot to be in the province, to see life, the real life in Philippines. So that is probably the most important, yung mahalagang
Memory. Pero Sir Larry, masasabi mo ba na masaya ka sa Kalingap?
Yes, I mean I am. I want to be able to come back here and help Kuya Bal and Team Kalingap, right? So I'm a little bit not happy because I can't do that right now. So maybe 3 more months, I can do what I need to do and come back here and help Kuya Bal and Team Kalingap.
You are witness to helping people needs here in the Philippines.
I'm witness to it, and I'm also. I changed my mind about. I want to say this right. Before, maybe I'm a little bit arrogant. Maybe, I think, people they can change their life, they can do this, and that. But it's not always true. Some people don't have an opportunity. Wala nang pagkakataon, like there's not a chance, there's an opportunity. So my ideas have changed. That's the lesson for me, I think. That's the lesson. Yeah.
But God is good in your life.
Yes.
Because you are here in Team Kalingap now.
And I hope to be able to actually do something instead of just eating food for free, sleeping for free. And it actually makes me sad.
Zero cost.
I don't like that. I don't like it.
Why?
Because it's not my way, bro.
Okay.
I worked hard in my life. I made a lot of money. I worked really hard. Now, for this, it's not my style.
But it's blessing.
Siyempre po, of course it is. Right now, I need that.
Blessing ni Lord sa atin. Sir Larry, anong masasabi mo sa mga sumusuporta sa Team Kalingap, sumusuporta sa programa ng Team Kalingap? Anong masasabi mo po sa kanila?
Maraming salamat po. Thank you for everything that you do, and with my own eyes, I witness the money that the supporters and the subscribers that they contribute or allow Kuya Bal to earn. It goes to the right things, how you can build that many houses, how you can do feeding programs and distribute different foods to people in need. He's doing that. So without the supporters, without the viewers, not possible. Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede. But thanks to all supporters.
Without the supporters, this cannot happen. It cannot be. They are the lifeblood talaga of charity blogger and Team Kalingap in particular. So yeah.
Sir Larry, thank you. Thank you sa time na ikaw ay akin nakausap. Dahil gusto naming malaman ang nilalaman ng iyong damdamin na ikaw ay nakasama namin sa Team Kalingap, na nalaman namin yung iyong nararamdaman na nandito ka sa Team Kalingap. Sir Larry, kung meron kang isang awitin na pwedeng ihandog kay Kuya Bal, ano yung awitin pwede mong ihandog kay Kuya Bal?
Awitin, like song?
Yeah.
Okay, I know.
For dedicated to Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, what? Song.
I have no idea.
Last day you sing. Yeah.
The name of the song, ang title is Silong Na. Ni Willie Revilla.
Silong Na.
Silong Na.
pwede natin kawitin for Kuya Bal. Kuya Bal, para sa yung awitin na ito. Konti lang.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. He just asked me to sing. So I choose that song because before I sing that, alam ko ang partner siya.
Kuya Bal, eto si Sir Larry na awit siya ng konti lang na dedicated to Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, this song.
I can do that.
Yeah.
I can do that. For next, yeah, I can do that. But I will dedicate this song to you, or actually to Team Kalingap.
So, Team Kalingap.
Naisip ka, nanais na kinakay makasama. Ikaw ang bubog ng damdamin ko. Ganyan din na nalalaman sa'yo. Yun lang.
Yeah, thank you, Sir Larry. Sir Larry Davis, thank you very much. God bless you, sir.
God bless you din po. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Sir Larry, sa time. Maraming salamat.
No problem sa time, anytime.
And see you soon and gumaka landing pad and God's will.
Yeah, maybe soon. Yes, maybe soon.
Thank you, Sir Larry. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you. Yan, Sir Larry Davis po, mga kalingap. And syempre, thank you kay Kuya Bal, Ate Ed at Kalingap Rob at sa buong team ng Team Kalingap. Maraming salamat at tunay na nasaksihan natin ang paglingap ng Team Kalingap saan man dako ng Pilipinas, anumang lahi, anumang wika, handang tumulong ang Team Kalingap. Di ba, Sir Larry? Yan. Thank you, Sir Larry. God bless you. Wow. Magandang hapon po, mga kalingap. Andito po tayo sa Katarman, Samar, sa landing pad. Kasama po natin ang mga charity vloggers, scouters po na kasamahan ni Ambassador Joey the Great. At eto po, suportahan po natin, mga kalingap.
Yansky TV po. Yansky TV po. Support po. Thank you so much.
Kasama natin sa likod.
Boy Tabang po. Boy Tabang special.
Boy Tabang po, mga kalingap.
Edna Condor.
Edna Condor at si
Baby Mix Vlog po.
Baby Mix Vlog. Ayan, mga kalingap, suportahan po natin yung mga kasama ni Ambassador Joey the Great. Ano ho? Dito po sa landing pad po ng Samar. Si Yansky TV, ayan, siya po yun. At saka si Edna Condor, si Boy Tabang, ayan, at saka si Baby Mix Vlog. Yan, sila po yung mga kasamahan nating charity vloggers, scouters dito po sa landing pad ng Samar. Yan, mga kalingap. Yan, magandang hapon po.
Pintarinha, 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 pintarinha,